Hello guys, how are you doing? Please do check my videos if you are into agriculture, construction, landscaping. Do like and subscribe my channel, view my videos, and I will appreciate if you people go ahead and send me any kind of advices also. Please post some comments if any advice is required. Also, we can help you out. This is how we have started our process today. We are going to do a lot of gravel removing, and we are planning to level this land. We have designed the house on the top of the mountain, but because of the slope and all these things, we had to. There are a lot of things which need to be done, and we are still planning slowly according to the plan. It's moving on. The work is stopping due to some reasons in between. Some issues have been arising, and we had to take couple of permissions. Then we started the work. Now the leveling work have started. You can see the mountain has been broken into, it's cut through this JCB work. This is how a slope or a straight line can be made, and later on we will plan what we are going to do. Either we are going to bricking the to for the mud not to fall down. We will decide what best we can do, and however we are going to now. You can see the JCB is moving the complete mud into one corner, and that is how it happens. Once the complete corner is over, then the pushing of the sand and leveling it begins. So you can see how it is done, and it should be usually the key important thing is that the most important thing is that we don't have stones in this small mountain. It's a small mountain rail, but it's completely red mud, and which is red gold also we can say. And this is very good for agriculture. This land, this mud will be very nice soil for plantation of many things. We are going to plant lot of plants in on this land. Henceforth this will be a very great uh, use for us, this kind of soil. And we are going to get, because we are leveling this, we are going to get lot of space also for plantation for sheep and for milking cows and all like that. We'll have ample amount of space. But in case if we don't do this, the slope what was there on the mountain, that will not give a long period of time for us, because we cannot do anything. It is a slope and we cannot construct anything. It will be a huge mess. So I've thought that no problem, we will go ahead and cut it into two. The center part will be for the house, and for the other stuff which you will be knowing later on. And I hope you have seen my old videos also. On that I have showed you how we constructed the house and all like that stuff on that top of the mountain. And so the main reason why I have decided this is there is lot of security also for personal living, and there is you won't have any kind of smell of goats, sheep, and cow. This smell will be going away by the air from the down only. The top level of the house part will be differently. We'll have fresh air coming. So there is lot of thinking and deciding. Whenever you start doing this, you have to plan a lot. This plan I have planned it from a very long time. I think so. It's a dream for me to make this thing, and I have made it. And we are trying our level best. I'm trying my level best to make what all I have thought, what I have planned to do. Everything will be done over here by the grace of Almighty Allah, inshallah. If you people have any kind of doubts or anything, see how the mud has been poured other side. We have we have constructed a small pond also. This mud only has been brought from there and level on the top, the mountain. On the top of the mountain, it was a U shape. You can see if you cross the U shape, how that mountain was. It's like that. So we have to level on the top also. So the excess amount of mud which is there on the land below, that mud was brought on the top of the hill, and that was also leveled. So there is no need for you to go and get the mud from outside and or purchase it or bring it from anywhere else. The mud what is there in our land, we are going to use that same red sand, and we are going to level that also. And I have shown that also. You can see that with the help of the JCB and the tractors, we are going to move that sand from the bottom of the leveling place, and then that is going to come on the top. The tractor will come on the top, late, throw it there and come back. Cost of this everything, I'll be making a separate video for the cost and everything, from the beginning till the end, how much it costed me, what was the property of the cost and everything. Once we finish everything, I will separately divide the house pricing and house construction price, the land price, the leveling process, the cleaning process, the electricity, light, what all requirements are there, light, fencing, and all these things. All will be separated into separate videos, and I'll give you the complete what is the best way we can save money, how we can go ahead and do it. So it will be helpful for you, what all challenges you will face. There are lot of challenges to be faced. Let it be you are living the city, maybe you are having lot of social circle, maybe you are having lot of influence. Still you will face lot of challenges if you are taking a land outside a city, if you are constructing a farmhouse, if you are going to a village or outside the forest. You're going to a forest and trying to construct a farmhouse over there. You will 101% face a lot of challenges, and I am going to definitely give you lots and lots of ideas wherein you will going to face challenges and how you are going to cope up with that, and what all you need to do for that. So it is better that you go ahead and check the place. See, because place to place, problems will be there, challenges will be there, but it will vary from place to place. And then how you're going to approach them, what you're going to do to get the things done, these are the things what are mandatory over there. So you have to, on any condition, without any fail, you have to be very cautious before you start the work. For me, lot of challenges have come because financially also the money was flowing in very slow. Much of the time it was stopping, then again coming, because this project I have taken, alhamdulillah, when I received the amount of the property sold, ancestral property, not ancestral, but my mother's property which we sold, I wanted to, since she have invested an amount of money in the land 24 years back, which is going to give me some, which is giving me right of now. So I also thought better, before I go ahead and start any kind of business in the city, rather than that, I have to, without fail, I have to invest some amount of money, as according to my mother, how she did it 24 years back. I want to do the same thing for my child, so that, God forbid, and in case if I have any kind of problems in the city, if I am not able to make business, if I am not able to do, in case my brother son is not having so much financially strong, this property after 20 years, when he is 27 years old, this will be helpful for him. And simultaneously the rate of the land will also grow. So this is a very good investment. Land is a very good investment. Everybody knows about it, that lands are very good investment. But taking the land and leaving it like that is a dead investment. I strongly believe it. So you develop it, you have taken a complete plain land, you are developing it, you are investing on it, the returns will be very good, because the person whoever is going to buy, he doesn't have to run around for leveling, for light, for electricity, for water, all these things, for house. He doesn't have to spend anything. So once we are investing, you're going to reap out of 10 times more after 20 years. So, and moreover, once the house is constructed on the plain land, electricity is being given, all the things have been given, automatically the value of the land will increase. Henceforth, we have done this, and we tried our level best to show you each and everything. I'm trying to show you each and everything, because a lot of financial issues, I'm not able to take all keep a person to take videos all the time, but I'm trying to give my best for all the things whatever I have to give you. So enjoy my video, go ahead and see this video, and I would like to really appreciate it if you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel. uh, I guess something can in the future, nothing will happen if you subscribe. If you just press the button, nothing will happen. Just subscribe my channels. Once upon a time, come down to my channel, see what is happening, what is new happening. In future, we are going to put couple of videos more, how we are going to construct the sheep farm and poultry farm. Poultry means that is not boilers, it's only the Indian chicken. That is the forest chicken. We are going to do that. Everything will be showed to you. You come and visit to the channel. You will come to know more and more about what kind of food we eat, how you can survive in a forest, taking a 2 acres of land or 4 acres of land, 5 acres of land. I can challenge anybody, let it be anybody, a person who is owning at least minimum of 3 acres of land, he doesn't have to go outside and work. He can produce his own meat, he can produce his own chicken, he can produce his own egg, he can produce his own vegetables, he can produce everything. There is nothing to go outside and buy. He will not have any kind of problem with hunger. I can bet that, because I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you that thing, that how much better it is, how much good it is, how much healthier it is to stay in a farmhouse rather than staying in a city. The days are going very fast, the population is increasing, the pollution is increasing, the diseases are increasing. To get rid of all these things, it is better to go ahead and stay in a land wherein you can go ahead and feed yourself and you can feed the others. By doing the poultry, by doing the meat, you can sell the meat, you can sell the chickens, you can earn the money from that, and you can go ahead and do any kind of other works also. If you have any ideas, there is no need for you to go ahead and work outside. It is your house. If you have ample amount of money, you can go and buy any kind of any place. Let it be any far away also. In these days, it will take hardly, if you go 200 kilometers away also, it will take hardly 5 hours to reach the cities. So I request all of you to like my videos, share my videos, please subscribe, and do please give all your friends my video, my link, my channel. Please help me in increasing the subscribers, and do like my video if you liked it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it that you people have watched all my videos, and it is your views. It is because of you only that I'm going to achieve what I'm going to make. Please go ahead and share this video so that anybody can get any help from my videos. Thank you very much.